Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the dollar Swiss did break structure to the downside, but I still am kind of wondering about this. I keep kind of flip-flopping about the pattern because this actually could be the A right here. This could be like a big old expanding wave B, and it possibly could turn back up for a big C to complete this big WXY pattern on the daily. The only thing we really know right now is that this wave is complete. If this new wave up is impulsive, then we're going to confirm that analysis. If this new wave up is more corrective and overlapping, then it most likely will lead to more downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely, now that we have this nice solid break of structure right here, we want to be looking for longs. But while we're looking for longs, we need to try to determine whether it's impulsive, not making overlapping waves, or whether it is making overlapping waves to a Fibonacci retracement level and then break structure to the downside. For now, definitely recommending longs. Hopefully, within the next couple of days, we'll learn and earn whether this move up is just a pullback to this move down or whether this move up is a brand new impulsive move. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.